Hello, this is Neil with Covers and Camo Custom Seat Covers. Just finished putting on the seat covers on this 2016 Toyota Tacoma. So let's check them out. This is Neil here with Covers and Camo Custom Seat Covers. We just finished seat covers on the Toyota Tacoma. This is the 2016 Toyota Tacoma Off-Road. It's the TRD. And these are some nice seat covers. So we have the Mossy Oak New Breakup Country here as the insert and the trim. We can two-tone it if you want with another color there if you want. But we're going to check these out. So this is going to be the side airbags here. So if the airbags ever need to deploy, that'll come out right there, blow through that Velcro there. Trims out real nice here on the side there. See how that tucks in, and then there's straps underneath to fasten this on underneath there. So on this driver's side, we have our pistol holster in there, but it's a little tight on these Tacomas, so what I recommend is pushing in your cell phone right there. Works great as a cell phone holder there as well. Okay, so now on this customer decided not to go with headrest covers, so that's an option, is you can cover the headrests or decide not to cover them. And we didn't do headrests here, so we're not seeing the headrest covers there, but we see how you get full coverage here on the back. And then let's check out the rear row now. So here's the back. You can see the backrest there, and this is the 60-40 split. So you're gonna get this 60 section that pops up right here, and you're gonna have these straps that go down here and secure this on right here. You're gonna have this drawstring that goes around here and pulls these corners real tight right there. So that pulls it up tight right there. Now as well, this one has a strap here to pull forward, so the seat cover is made so you can still have your seats fully functioning. Cut out right there, so then it can go back up into the door, or back up into the back panel there. Full coverage there on the back. And put this back up. Here, same thing, the 40 section is going to fold down, and it's going to look a lot like this right here. So again, this ended up looking really nice. The Mossy Oak New Breakup Country in this brand new Toyota Tacoma.